Hello friends, so today I am going to let you know about how to download Tableau, which is one of the best tool for data visualization. So we get into this web page tableau.com. So if you download Tableau from this page, it is going to provide you demo version, and it will give you free trial for 14 days. So I'm not going to download from this page, rather I'm going to download from Tableau public. So here I'm going to download from this page. So I will download from Tableau public. It will ask us to put name and email ID. So I'm going to put some name. So I'm going to provide some email ID. So it is downloading and it is almost 490 MB file. So it is going to take 10-15 minutes. So downloading part is about to be completed. So before that, make sure you have 64-bit system. So here we can see that it is going to take few more seconds. After that, we will get to know how to install in our system. So it is going to take few more seconds. So it is almost half GB file. That is why it is taking a lot of time. So now it has been downloaded. Now I am going to install it. So here we have to read the agreement, and I am going to check it, and I am going to check it because I don't want this to send product users data on me. So I will check it as well if I do not, and I will give this administration access. So, yes. So again it is going to take a few minutes. Now installation part is going to be completed within few seconds. So let's wait for a few more seconds. It is going to take a few more seconds. So this is one of the best tools which can be utilized for data visualization. So it is going to take maybe 10-20 seconds more. Yes, installation part has been completed. Now let's check the desktop. Yeah. So here we have icon of Tableau. So this will open it. So this is the interface, and it looks like this, and we can connect here. So suppose we want to connect CSV file, so we can click here this text file, and on the desktop, suppose I have this CSV file. Here. We can also connect JSON file, PDF file, and statistical file. So lot many things can be done here, and it is one of the best tools for data visualization. So we can visualize here our file. Our file how it looks like. Okay, with that I would like to stop here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay happy and healthy. Okay, thank you. Bye.